The compressor is dead. We have a new compressor relay. This is the aftermarket one. 5SP14R302TFM. And the package that it came from.
I got it.
Okay. The package is Blue Star new upgrade 5PGS186. Is that the same part number? No, it's not. Anyways, Z0010CKDT7. Anyways, so they have a match. Looks the same. And we're gonna put it in. Okay, Kai, come on, Japan. Go inside it. Go inside. Ngồi xuống. Okay, mình đi bây giờ mình nếu work it thì là good. Không có work thì bà nói let's get a new refrigerator.
A new refrigerator is not like expensive.
Okay. And hồi nãy con hỏi ba pushing in. Có cần lift up không? But I know, look. Gonna push in there. That's it. Look at, see this clip? The clip is like this. Got it? Okay, Daddy's gonna leave this one here. And then there's also this ground. So this thing's underneath here like this. Because the ground has to plug in over there. Keep the camera a little bit further away, go. Okay, so ground has to go on this side. Okay. Okay, so that's in. The clip is going to go next. That clip is not an easy task to do. Okay, let's forget the clip for now. Let's just make it work. Okay, so that's good. This is definitely backwards. This is backwards too. Alright, forget the clip. Let's just put it in, see if it works. 3, 2, and 1. Sounds pretty quiet.
You hear anything?
Nope. Maybe the compressor must broke. Nhưng mà nó không có lucky rồi. What's that? Sao mình coi bên kia có điện không? Yeah, there's electricity in here. Alright, no lucky.